I'm John Bradshaw, Technical Product Manager for HCSS Plans, and I am here at a construction project that is happening not far from our office here in Sugar Land, Texas. As I was looking at it, I noticed there was something in the project that didn't match up with what the plan set for the project said was supposed to be going on. I'm going to go through that and show how HCSS Plans can help address this. So let's go ahead and go to the iPad. Since I am standing at the spot that I am interested in, the thing I want to do is I want to go to my location filters, and I have a couple of options. I can filter to sheets that are where I am physically present or sheets that are near me. What I'm interested in right now are the sheets that are near me. So that's going to bring up these 4 sheets, and the one that I am interested in right now is this one here. I can see that the work we're going to be doing here on Imperial Boulevard and Highway 6 is milling this road surface out to about those directional arrows, and then repainting the new arrows. But I'm currently at this location and I see a little bit of an issue. So I want to document this, and I am going to use the camera here. Bring up my camera. And I'm going to get a picture of this here. Use it. Save. Place it. And then I want to get a location of where we are actually at. So here we are at the intersection. Take my picture, use my photo. This one is facing facing 6 on Imperial. Go ahead and place that at the same location. The reason this is an issue for me is we have milled further away, further along this road than is indicated on the plan set, as well as installed some traffic control things. And this is a concern for me because I can go over to Hull Lane, and I can see that's the work that's supposed to be done over here. So that means I have some questions. You look at this intersection and you look at what's in the plan. This page looks exactly like the next one over. You're standing here, you're doing work, you're operating machinery, you've got calls coming in, you're doing just all of this stuff. If the only thing you have to go on is that sheet of paper or that plan, absent any other information, there's nothing on it that distinguishes it from that intersection, the intersection beyond it, the intersection about a mile down that road we're about to go to and see at the other intersection where the work that was done here probably needed to happen there as well. Now, it's entirely possible that the project owner, someone along the line, told them to go ahead and do that. Hey, if we are already here, we need this to happen. We're going to go ahead and just go ahead and do that. Bill us for it. We still have the ability to really help with that because, in plans, you can go ahead and do that markup and get those quantities and start documenting, okay, you want us to go from here to here to here to here. That's going to be this amount of material, this amount of time. Here's the as-built that shows it. Here's all the documentation that goes along with it to actually get you paid for that work. Be able to submit it quickly. So I've driven down to the next intersection in the project, which is at the intersection of Crown Garden Trail and Highway 6. And I can already see what has happened here, which is we have milled out to the place that is indicated on the project and added in the traffic control markings. So I can go ahead and document that here. Add in my description. We can see at this intersection, the work that was done here matches what is at this intersection. But at the intersection just right over there, about a mile away, they did this work for it. So now we have this extra 50 some odd feet of milling that was done, which is going to have to be resurfaced. You're going to have to paint the additional lines. You're going to have to paint the additional traffic markings. And you're going to have to paint them twice, because you have to paint it when it's stripped like this. You're going to have to paint it when it's actually been resurfaced. And then you're actually going to have to paint it again for that permanent, that permanent traffic markings. And all of that stuff is something that might not have actually been budgeted for. So it's just additional work. So back here in the office, even as I am out in the field documenting everything in plans, it's immediately showing up in Heavy Job Project Management. And we can go ahead and take a look at it here.
So the project manager back at the office is able to see that issue that was created out in the field very quickly over in Heavy Job. They can open it up. They can see the details of it, who submitted it, what the status is, if there's any other items related to it, if there are any cost codes associated with it. If you have with HCSS Plans, they're even able to open up the plan sheet and go straight to the sheet that this is happening in. They can see what's going on, see the plan sheet. They can see the quantities. They can open up the images. And see what it is that we're talking about.
And that is how, with HCSS Plans and Heavy Job Project Management, you can catch potential rework before it actually happens by making sure you're working off of the right plan sheet at the right location. And if it does happen, you can document what the impact that it is going to have on your project. I hope you've been able to find some value in this video. Thank you and have a nice day.